Hello, second grade. Okay, today we are going to practice using prepositions, and we learned about those earlier this week, but let me remind you what prepositions are. So prepositions are words that can help you know the position of something, so where you find something. Prepositions can also tell us when something happens, and prepositions can tell us how something is done. Okay, I want you to take out your whiteboard and marker because we are going to be reading some sentences and you are going to write the prepositions that you find in that sentence. You're going to write them on your whiteboard, okay? So here we go. Please read this first sentence out loud. It says, Shelby walked around the park. Shelby walked around the park. Okay, write the preposition on your whiteboard. Now don't erase it. Don't erase any of your answers because at the end, I am going to reveal to you what the right answers are. And you can check and see if you answered them correctly as well. Okay, number 2. Please read this sentence out loud. It says, the puppy is hiding under the table. The puppy is hiding under the table. Okay, if you think you know which the preposition is, write it on your whiteboard. Remember, don't erase it. Number 3. Read this sentence out loud. It says, Jen will color with her markers. Jen will color with her markers. Write the preposition on your whiteboard. Alrighty, last one. Read this sentence out loud. It says, my book is next to my bed. My book is next to my bed. This one could be a little bit tricky. Let's see if you get it. Write it on your whiteboard. Okay, so you should have all 4 answers on your whiteboard. Are you ready to check your answers? Here we go. The underlined words are the prepositions in each sentence. So for number 1, around. Around the park. That is telling me where. Now the prepositional phrase for this sentence would be around the park. All right, the correct answer for number 2 is under. That is also telling me where. The prepositional phrase for this sentence would be under the table. Now this sentence, the correct answer for number 3 is the preposition with. So it's telling me how something is happening. And the prepositional phrase would be with her markers. And last but not least, the answer for number 4 is next to. Did I trick you with that one? Do you see how there are 2 words next to? That tells me where it's happening. And the prepositional phrase for that sentence would be next to my bed. All right, let's read these directions together. It says, look at the following picture. Write as many sentences as you can using prepositions. Okay, this is a challenge for you. I want to see how many sentences you can come up with using prepositions for the picture that I am about to show you. I think you can at least come up with 5, but try and see how many you can get. And you may have to pause the video so that you can keep the picture up. Here it is. Okay, second grade, have fun finding the different sentences you can come up with using prepositions.